Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to voice over YouTube videos on mobile. To add a voiceovers to your YouTube video through your mobile, you can use various apps. Let's open up the Rush Adobe Premiere app on your phone. Once you're in the app, click on the add icon from the bottom bar. Then create a new project from here. There are two options given here: add media and take video or photo. Choose the add media option. Then select the video option. Choose the video in which you want to add the voiceover. Select the video and click to create. After adding the video, you will find many options in its editing bar. Tap on the audio option and you will see various tracks. Get back and tap on the add icon. Now you will find the voiceover option. Choose the option and tap to start the recording. Now you can speak and record whatever you want to add to your video. Once you've added the voiceover, tap on the share icon in the top right corner. Then tap to export the video to your gallery from here. To have a good voiceover, make sure your recording environment is quiet to achieve better audio quality. You can use a separate microphone for better audio clarity. Preview your video to ensure the voiceover is properly synced with the visual. And that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.